Jai Gurudev students, I am Dhanalakshmi. I handle English for you. How are you children? I hope all are doing fine and safe. I am also safe. Today we are going to learn one interesting lesson. Are you ready to listen to the lesson? Yes? Okay. Before that I want to ask one question. Shall I ask the question? Yes. How many of them like to play in the park? Raise your hands. Everyone? Wow, super. Now I ask another one question. What are the things you can see in the park? Yes, you can see swings, slide, seesaw and many things also. In our school play area also, you can see swings, slide, seesaw and trees. Is it? Yes. Now I want to show model of the park for you. Shall I show that? Yes. Here I have one model of park. Look at that. That is a slide. That is a slide. This is a swings. This is swings. What is this? Yes, that is seesaw. That is seesaw. Here look at that. Trees, flowers, grass and the children are playing. The children are playing in the park. Here look at that. The sun is shining. Do you like this one? Yes? Everyone? Yes, again I repeat it. Listen. Here we have swings, slide, seesaw, trees and grass. Here also have a tree and the children are playing and flowers also we have. So, are you right this one? What are the things you can see in the park? Shall we write? Yes, you can say one by one. Yes, the first one is swings. Yes, W-I-N-G-S. Swings. Say again. Yes, W-I-N-G-S. Swings. The second one. The second one. Slide. Yes, L-I-D-E. Slide. Say everyone. Slide. Yes, L-I-D-E. Slide. Third one. Seesaw. Third one. Seesaw. Yes, E-E-C-saw. Yes, A-W. Saw. Seesaw. Third one. Seesaw. The next. The fourth word is trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. The last you can see flowers. No. Yes. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. These are the things you can see in the park. Yes, sir. The name of the lesson is I play in the park. The name of the lesson is I play in the park. The name of the lesson is I play in the park. Yes, in this lesson you can see 4 characters. In this lesson you can see 4 characters. Do you know the meaning of a character, children? Yes, the character means persons like father, mother, sister, brother and friend. Like that. In this lesson you can see 4 characters. The main character is Bunty. Say the spelling. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. Say everyone. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. The main character is Bunty. The next. Dev. D-E-V. Dev. The next character is Sahil. S-A-H-I-L. Sahil. The next character is Pooja. P-O-O-J-A. Pooja. Again, listen. Bunty, Dev, Sahil and Pooja. There are 4 characters in this lesson. There are 4 characters in this lesson. Shall we write the characters? Yes, the first character is, who's that? Bunty. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. The second character is, who's that? Dev. D-E-V. Dev. Third character is Pooja. P-O-O-J-A. Pooja. The fourth character is Sahil. S-A-I-L. Sahil. Yes. Bunty, Dev, Pooja and Sahil. Yes, now go through the lesson. I play in the park. I play in the park. My name is Bunty. I like to play in the park. My name is Bunty. I like to play in the park. So the boy name is Bunty. The boy name is Bunty. Say the spelling. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. The boy name is Bunty. Yes. I like to play in the park. So the Bunty wants to play in the park. He wants to play in the park. How many of them wants to play in the park now? Everyone? Yes. So we can't go outside because of this lockdown. You know that this dangerous virus, coronavirus or COVID-19. So we can't go outside. The next line, it is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. That means wonderful. Remaining part we will see tomorrow. Did you understand this lesson? I hope you all understand this one. And I want to give one home fun activity for you. Shall we do that one? Yes? Okay. Using the clay, you should create a farm. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.